Generating samples from normally distributed data in Excel. Here in this Excel sheet, I will generate random numbers for weights using the random number generation, and then from this data or variable I'm going to extract samples from the original data. The way to generate random data in Excel: click on data, then data analysis, then scroll down to random number generation, click on OK, and in the random number generation window, select the distribution to be normally distributed, and then number of variables, just one variable, which is the weight, and number of random numbers, which is the scores, up to 1000. And for the mean, I'm going to set the weight at 85, and the standard deviation for the data to have 15 to be 15. And for the output, I'm going to select insert the output in this column starting from this cell, then click on OK. Random data is generated for 1000 numbers. So this data should be normally distributed up to 1000 here. This data should be normally distributed. To check that, click on insert, click on the histogram. If you click on the histogram shows that the weight that is generated is normally distributed. To double check also the mean and the standard deviation for these data, click on data, click on data analysis, then select the descriptive command, click on OK, and for the input range, click on the arrow here, select this data, select the group by columns. We only have here one column or one data. Tick on the labels in the first row, select the output to be in this cell, and for the descriptive statistic, we only interested in the summary of statistics. Click on OK. A table will be generated showing the means, which is around 84 here, and the standard deviation of about 15. To extract a sample from the original data that have 1000 scores in it, click on data, click on data analysis, scroll down here to the function of sampling, click on OK. In this window, input range should be the first column which have the original data in it, and then tick on label, select random here, and then I'm going to select, let's say, 10 samples for the first sample, and to insert the output in the first cell here, click on OK. 10 sample is extracted from the original data. To generate a sample that have 50 scores in it, click on data analysis, sampling, and then for random number, select the number of samples to be set at 50, and then for the cell, select this cells for the output range, click on OK. Again, a 50 score is generated or extracted from the original 1000 number from the weight data. For the third sample, let's extract 100 numbers from these weight original data. So in this window, instead selecting 50, 100, and then change the output range to be here, click on OK. Again, 100 sample is generated or extracted from the original weight data. So this is the way to generate sample from normally distributed data in Excel.